and certain amount of curd and salt and baking powder. So now I pour the maida, half kg maida. Now I take salt and put in it. And then baking powder. And then curd. So I make the dough. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Then I will close it with a wet cloth. The next step is to make red sauce. For making red sauce, we need 2 tomatoes and 3 big onions and some ginger. We chop the vegetables and we need to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. The vegetable was cooked for 15 minutes and then now we are going to make a paste out of it. Now I am transferring the red sauce into a separate bowl. The third step is to make white sauce. For making white sauce, we need milk, ghee and some maida and salt. First, pour ghee to the pan and then some maida and then salt accordingly. And then stir it. Add milk to the pan little by little till it attains the paste texture. Now we make the white sauce. We can transfer into a separate bowl. The fourth step is to cut the vegetable for decorating the top of pizza. For that I am taking a tomato, an onion and 2 grilled chilies. Now I am going to make the pizza base. Now we should transfer this stuff into a plate. Now first cover the plate with oil. Now I shifted the dough into a plate covered with oil. First we should spread the red sauce first and second the white sauce. Now I spreaded the red sauce, then the white sauce. To decorate the top of pizza. After decorating the pizza, we have to cover it with the cheese. We should keep the pizza at low flame for 45 minutes. Close the pan and check often. Fifth step is to make chili flakes. For making chili flakes, we need 4 red chilies. Ungrind it. Now our pizza is ready.